And I got a new one for you, downtown Albuquerque, New Mexico. This is the Acre Comfort Vegetarian.
Red Bliss mashed potatoes.
The food is exceptional here.
Biscuits and gravy for Danielle.
If you are a meat eater, you would not miss anything.
There's so much flavor in this stuff.
You just clean your plate. It's great, and that's how I sell it to my friends.
But it wasn't a tough sell for veteran chef Sean Weed when he decided to open this joint. Are you vegan vegetarian?
No, not at all.
No, not at all. This is really a good start, folks.
I really wanted to do something that was innovative, but comfortable and familiar. I believe we should all try to do a couple meals a week without meat. Buffalo cauliflower wings going down.
The buffalo cauliflower wings just do not disappoint.
The sauce is really good.
We're gonna do some buffalo cauliflower wings. We've got some water boiling. We're gonna make a hot brine, oregano, salt, garlic, thyme, a couple of bay leaves.
So we're gonna just basically poach the cauliflower in this to get it cooked through so that you don't have to fry it forever and have it turn into a hot mess.
Absolutely.
While that's going, we'll make the batter.
Yes, sir. First thing we're gonna do is bloom our flaxseed. Almost boiling hot water. Let this sit for a couple of minutes. It's gonna get nice and thick. It's gonna add salt, black pepper, chicken spice mix, oat milk, cold water,
Okay.
gluten-free flour mix. And I do want it pretty thick.
Right now, you got pizza dough, bro.
Yep. Brined cauliflower wings, batter them and fry them.
In the final step,
Vegan ranch dressing. Agua faba,
chickpea water, right?
homemade mustard, salt, some pepper, and a bit of white pepper. Slowly gonna emulsify that with some oil, granulated garlic, dried parsley, some onion,
Gotta be dill.
dill, yes, sir.
That's a big dill.
White vinegar, fresh parsley.
Got it. I assume this only gets a little bit better with time.
Once it chills in the refrigerator for a little while, pretty good, right?
Silky, creamy, ranchy.
We're gonna pour our hot sauce into the bowl, full of flour.
That's a normal portion?
Yes, vegan ranch, our beautiful little chickens made out of cauliflower. Here we go.
That eats like a really good hand-battered chicken tender. Great texture in the batter. Then you get that cauliflower, which has got a ton of flavor inside of it. You're not relying just on the hot sauce on the outside or the seasoning in the batter. Then you take that into the ranch dressing. This is the indulgent dish that everybody wants to have a few beers with and watch the game. There's nobody that would be unhappy with this.
2 minutes on buffalo cauliflower, chef.
They're absolutely fantastic. Texture was just right.
It's not so over the top where it's too hot, but it's enough that it gives you the zing.
The ranch is better than any other ranch that I've had.
Green chili mac and cheese. I can rely on coming to the Acre and finding something that's really good and I don't have to sacrifice for flavor.
If you can't find something to eat here at Acre, you're just not hungry.